There's only one thing you need to know about the whole video. So if you know this, you don't have to watch it. This is it. This is it. Final! Do we even have one video without fire? It might have looked like a joke when I held up the grill grates, but I'm serious about it. When I first saw this grill with those grill grates, it blew my mind. Look at them. They are so beautiful, so good looking. These are so special. There is not one grill in the world that I know of that has these. Cast stainless steel grill grates. But of course, without a grill, you don't need grill grates. So, Morrison, time to get to work. Do you have any experience with putting grills together?
I have all the experience in the world.
How many did you do?
200, 300. I assemble grills for breakfast, like every day. It's heavy.
It's heavy. That's what I said. If you drop them, I kill you. Dude, seriously, don't ever do that again. This is a rare occasion because you have to realize that most people will not own this grill this year. This grill is like a limited version this year. So Morrison, you're one of the lucky. Oh no, it's not for you. Sorry, it's mine. What?
I'm already sold. Because the Phantom is crazy good for a camera. It's crazy aesthetic.
I think after about 5 grills, I got it. I understood that if I just read the manual, I can do it in half the time. Isn't she beauty? And this is like the premium of the premium. This is the P500. Black, matte black. And not M-A-D, M-A-T. But it could also be, in this case, M-A-D, matte. This is madness. And it says left. What do you think? Like this? Or should we put it on the other side, on the other left? What's left?
Is it like our side left or your side left? Is it like Canadian left or European left?
I knew it! I knew it all along. I didn't have to look at the manual. I knew it. It's not that difficult. Please make me look good. Hey!
What do you need the hammer for?
Stop! Hammer time! Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is like the scariest moment. The manual says we need to hammer it, but I know it's a bad idea because this is a really, really nice grill. I want to use this one because it's made of rubber. Maybe this is a nicer hammer, but it's just going to damage the hammer, I think. See? Damages the hammer. But it went in a little bit. I'm just going to use the... We're now going to find out. Did he screw up? Is Pitmaster X going to win from the manual? If I cheat, oh dear God. Didn't film that. You didn't film that. No, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay, darling. See? Eva is already getting upset. Yeah, I know where there's... Yes, I know. I'm going to be gentle from now on. Oh! I know what I did wrong. You have to put the thingy, like the little ringy, underneath already. But now... See? It's like magic. I still have to like adjust it a little bit. You see, the cool thing about it, and I already said this, that cast aluminum base, it retains so much heat and gives this grill so much power. Basically, you don't need a side burner. You can compare it to like a charcoal grill type of heat that you can get out of this grill. These things spit flames sideways, so each burner will be lit no matter what's going on. So you will never have the situation where you have your grill turned on, have one knob and it didn't fire, then always it will light up just because the flame's shooting sideways, making sure all the burners are lit. Let's just finish this up. Look at that. That's how easy it is. All we need to do now is secure it. And make sure you secure it tight, because you know that uncle that will put his beer on this and lean on it That's right, that uncle. By the way, if it is my grill and that uncle will lean on this, I think we'll put him in the pit.
This must be my favorite part. You know why?
Why?
Because
Wow!
this is why I love this barbecue so much. Because with the lights, everything looks like a spaceship. And if there's one thing I do like most, it's spaceships.
First I'm gonna put in the beast, the warming rack from space. Look at the pure size of it. Look how big that is. Look at that. Oh, that really finishes the grill off. Look at it. What? I'm there going to say it. This is like the most epic grill of 2021. Oh, it doesn't get any better than this. Full disclosure, of course, like Napoleon sponsored the video, asked me to make this video, but I really wanted to do it as well, and like, this is the one. We don't do any unboxing videos, but this one, oh, you should feel this. This feels so cool. Big and strong. All burners on, cleaning this puppy up. Of course, burning off the residues of oil that's still in this grill. Getting it ready for our first cook. And man, I'm so happy with this grill. Just look at it, it's such a beast. Man, I couldn't be happier. I'll probably be smiling until the morning. Better close off for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure you check out this grill. The link is down below. This is the Napoleon Prestige 500 Phantom Black. See you guys later.